Now, according to data, over 10 million Nigerian children are out of school despite the free education policy in place for pupils in primary schools. To reduce the number, education specialists want stakeholders to support the government's effort to ensure that no Nigerian child is denied access to quality education. Helen Asamede-Akins reports.
L-A-N-T plants, root, R-O-O-T, root, and I can spell my name.
7-year-old Felicia Dennis is one of the many children whose education was interrupted due to the activities of insurgents in the northeast part of Nigeria. The insurgency forced her and her parents to relocate to Abuja. Amidst the relocation, she was out of school for several months until her parents discovered this school, which runs on the assistance of kind-hearted Nigerians.
9 on that side.
The school is founded by Angela Ijemi, who says her passion to see every child educated led to the establishment of the school for indigent children. Unlike Felicia and all these children, there are still millions of Nigerian children who are out of school due to the economic circumstances of their parents.
In the beginning, we would have to reach out to their parents, talk to them. But in the past four years, it's mostly the families that bring the children, or relatives, or even neighbors who know that some children have been out of school for a while.
A report by UNICEF indicates that there are over 10 million out-of-school children in Nigeria, even though primary education is officially free and compulsory. In the north, the picture is bleaker, with a net attendance rate of 53%. Despite the importance of education, it is sad to know that it is one of the sectors with the least allocation in the 2021 budget. This suggests that the government is not willing to do much to ensure its citizens get the best of education. Many primary schools are confronted with the challenges of quality infrastructure, learning facilities, insecurity, and unqualified teachers. With the government's inability to meet the needs in the education sector and the continuous dropping out of children from school, these experts believe the sector should not be solemnly handled by the government.
Culture of giving back to community, of giving back to our society is getting eroded by the day in our community. And they have forgotten that the child that is more educated today will go extra mile tomorrow in making life uncomfortable for us. We can start a project by adopting schools, by adopting children, by ensuring that we have key things that will actually help us to ensure that every child, everybody is educated.
It's beyond having more schools. It also goes down to improving the quality of learning.
Mr. Babatunde thinks that the government and international partners should endeavor to extend intervention programs to other parts of the country and not just one region to avoid future challenges.
While they are battling girl child out of school in the north, they are battling boy child out of school in the southeast. Most of the schools are still using the structure built by Baba Awolowo way back in 1952. So we have to look at everywhere holistically. It's not as if maybe we should be doing an extensive work in one region and leave another region out. If Southwest are left out, or South are left out, or Southeast are left out, and we assume that where we are having challenges is not central, then it's going to be counterproductive.
Some of the intervention programs include Safe School Initiative and School-Based Management Committee. As efforts are made to find a lasting solution to reduce the number of out-of-school children, the root cause of the challenge, which includes poverty, insecurity, lack of political will, poor budgetary provision, inadequate infrastructure, among other things, need to also be addressed. Helen Asamede-Akins, TVC News, Abuja.